qualifying period is pregnant women should ensure to have paid at least 3 monthly contributions within 12 months before their delivery date. So meaning, kailangan po ay meron kayong at least 3 months na hulog, pero it's better if 6 months para mas sure. Meron po akong video before at ayun po ay napaka-detailed na yung sa pagka-count po nung ating months. So here, ang inyo pong qualifying period ay October 2023 to September 2024. So kailangan at least 3 to 6 months or 6 months ay meron po kayong hulog po dito. Ito po yung kalimitang dahilan kung bakit tayo na de-denied sa ating or nare-reject sa ating maternity benefit kasi hindi natin alam na semester of contingency na pala, tsaka pa lang tayo maghuhulog. So, halimbawa, yan, October 2024.